Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch this butterfly koi in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is my first time catching the butterfly koi, and this is how the butterfly koi looks like. And I'm going to show you the information about this fish. Let me open up my fish observation. Okay, wait, I'm gonna scroll down to show you the information. Okay, basically guys, you can catch this fish in the rainy weather and also the rainbow event. And for the location, it's from the Mido Lake. So just go to this lake. I'm gonna show you on the map. Okay, right here, go to the Mido Lake near the flower field, and you'll be able to catch this butterfly koi. And for my level in fishing, my level is a level 7. So if you haven't unlocked this fish yet, maybe um, you need to reach level 7 first. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the butterfly koi in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.